Hello everyone. If you want to add your United Airlines boarding pass to the Apple Wallet, then this video is going to show you exactly how you can do it step by step in 2026. So first of all, you can add your boarding pass only after check-in. So you need to open your United application, or you need to go to the website, and first of all, you need to complete your check-in for your flight. Once check-in is done, your boarding pass will be generated. Without this particular step, the wallet option won't appear. So you need to access your boarding pass. For that, again, you can go to the application or on the website. After that, you just have to basically go to the section of My Trips. Now, inside My Trips, simply select your flight and you need to view your boarding pass. Now, you just have to make sure that the full pass is available with the QR code. So when this particular boarding pass is opened, you just have to look for the option that says add to Apple Wallet. Now, when you are able to find this particular option, a preview window will be opened in front of you where you are going to see the details about your boarding pass. On top of it, simply look for the option of add. When you tap on the add option, simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully add it to your Apple Wallet. Now, sometimes this particular option does not show in the certain applications. So you can open your boarding pass, which is linked using Safari web browser on iPhone, and then you can simply look for this particular option. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.